Hi, it's Ben here with Safe Drive Solutions, and today we're going to show you how to pair a VIOFO dash camera to an Android device. So, first things first, we're going to hit the Connect Your Camera button on the dash camera. And then it actually has instructions, basically saying that you push and hold the Wi-Fi button, which is right here off to the far right. See how Wi-Fi now displays? We can continue
Wi-Fi enabled.
And then connect to the Wi-Fi. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go in to the Wi-Fi. And we found the VIOFO. We're going to enter the password in, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to show the password there.
Wi-Fi connected.
Perfect. And just like that, we're connected to the unit. Let us know if you have any other questions at all. Other than that, it's very simple. The other thing is, just a little tip and trick. If you want to see the live view of the dash camera, you need to make sure that you have your cellular data off or it will not show. Thanks a lot. Cheers.